What's going on, guys? It's Wild Whiskey Wolf, and today I wanted to give you guys a mod update on the 2021 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R. Today we got some more carbon fiber parts for the bike. So right here we have the Carbonin ZX-10R tank cover with side panels. The ultimate goal for this bike is to make the entire bike carbon fiber. So we already got this top carbon fiber tank cover on, and then also we're going to add the rest of the tank cover with the side panels. And the significance of this piece of carbon fiber is that it's one single piece instead of the OEM setup, which is you have three separate pieces for your side panels and tank covers, front tank cover. So you got this front tank cover piece right here, and then you have two individual side pieces. But with this, it's beautifully crafted. It's just one single piece of carbon fiber, so makes getting to the airbox and engine and internals of the bike much faster, and it also just looks a lot cleaner, looks a lot nicer with one single piece. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and throw the Carbonin carbon fiber piece on the bike, and then I'm going to do a walk around and just show you guys how beautiful it looks on the 2021 ZX-10R. So here's how the Carbonin carbon fiber tank cover with side panels looks on the 2021 Kawasaki ZX-10R. I really like the look, came out great. And like I said, just having, one integrated piece instead of three separate pieces is definitely a tasteful upgrade for the bike. And as far as installation goes, super simple. It has holes already cut out to utilize the OEM screws. So all you're doing is using the screws that were on the OEM tank panels to put it on. And there you go. I'll put a link down in the description for where you guys can buy one of these. And also, if you need directions on how to take the tank cover off, I'll put a link down in the description for that, of a video we did tearing down a Gen 5, which is the exact same process for. So there you guys go. We're gonna put some tech spec tank covers on this thing. Tank grips on the tank cover, and yeah, I really like the look. I'll do another walk around when it's a bit more sunny outside. It's a little bit overcast today, it's been raining a lot, but yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick video on what this Carbonin carbon fiber piece looks like. Hopefully we can have the all the fairings on the bike carbon fiber soon. But for right now, man, this thing looks absolutely gorgeous. So let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment down below in the comment section, and let me know what you guys think of this tank cover with side panels. See you guys around.